think they'll get through them quite quickly. Anyway, quick hand to the weather, Coz, because it's a really busy weekend, isn't it?
It is a really busy weekend. We've got a lot of detail with the weather. It was so cold, and it still is very cold. We had frost in places first thing this morning, as captured by our weather watcher here in Leicestershire. So the frost and ice is an issue. If we look at the summary for the next few days into next week, it's going to be bitterly cold. We will have sub-zero temperatures going overnight, so there is a potential for frost and ice on surfaces. Now, we are expecting snow. It's looking more likely, and that's because the Met Office has issued an amber weather warning for the potential for snow and ice, and that's in force from 6 o'clock in the evening on Saturday right the way through to Sunday lunchtime. So back to today and the incoming days, we have a ridge of high pressure with us at the moment, but this low pressure that's bringing in a weather front and wet weather. And obviously, when the wet weather hits cold air, that's when we get snow. So for the rest of today, it's staying fairly dry. We do have some showers filtering in through the Cheshire Gap. That could be wintry in higher ground as well. Highs of 5 degrees Celsius, so still very cold with those light winds. Then overnight, it's fairly dry. A bit of clear spells in places, but really we get some mist and low fog forming. It could be freezing fog in some places. Lows down to -1, -2. So it is going to be very cold Saturday going into Sunday. We do have a risk of snow in places, and that's looking quite likely now.
OK, Coz, thank you so much.
So it's been a very cold and frosty start to the day. The conditions continue remaining cold. We've got this high pressure in charge, keeping this at bay at the moment, but that's going to give us some problems going into the weekend. But back to today. So we have some bright spells at times, but also we have some showers filtering in from the Irish Sea. Some of those might be wintry and cause some slippery surfaces as well. Highs today of 6 degrees or 7 degrees Celsius there on the Isle of Man. Going into this evening and tonight, so we do have fairly clear skies until we get another weather system moving in, bringing in some more wintry showers. And there we have temperatures as low down to freezing, 0 degrees Celsius. So we do have a weather warning in for Saturday. We are expecting snow and ice. There is an amber weather warning at that. Highs tomorrow of around 5.